Struggling to find a style that enhances your thick hair without weighing it down? Stay tuned for solutions that add flair and freedom to your mane. A tailored layered cut can add unexpected lightness and movement to your thick, wavy hair. The versatile bob brings structure and effortless style to your lush mane. Discover the Pixie Cut for a playful yet sophisticated look that enhances your thick locks. Braids effortlessly tame and elevate your thick hair, adding a romantic flair. Balayage offers sunlit vibrancy, bringing warmth and dimension to your dense tresses. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.